In this video, we are going to see how we can insert a new page in Google Docs. So right now we have 3 pages. As you can see the counting, when I hover over to the scroll bar on our right, it says 1 of 3. That means we have 3 pages, but let's say that we want to insert one more. First of all, what you can do is just press Control Enter and you will insert a new page immediately. Now it is 4 of 4. Or otherwise, what you can do is just insert a page break. So for example, you want to not only create a new page, but you want to shift this part, this last paragraph, onto a new page. So what you can do is just hover over this place, go to Insert and click on the break and click on Page Break. So not only it will create a new page for you, it will also shift the data after the mouse cursor point onto the new page. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.